You wake up in the morning and your neck feels like it's made of concrete. You try to look over your shoulder while driving, and that sharp pain shoots through. You spend your day tilting your entire body instead of just turning your head because it's too uncomfortable. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody's telling you. That neck stiffness you've been living with, that pain you've accepted as just part of getting older, it doesn't have to be your reality. In fact, you're probably making it worse every single day without even knowing it. But what if I told you there's a simple 5-minute routine developed by physiotherapists specifically for people over 60 that can erase that stiffness and restore the mobility you thought was gone forever? No pills, no expensive treatments, just 5 gentle movements you can do sitting in a chair. These aren't random stretches. They're targeted, scientifically proven techniques that address the exact reasons your neck gets stiff and painful after 60. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's happening in your neck and what you can do about it starting today. Now, let me explain why your neck has become so stiff. Your neck pain and stiffness aren't just about age. They're about what happens to your body when 3 specific factors combine. And once you understand these factors, the solution becomes crystal clear. First, there's something called forward head posture. Think about how much time you spend looking down. Reading, using your phone, working at a table, watching television. Every time your head moves forward, even just an inch, the weight your neck muscles have to support increases dramatically. Your head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds, but for every inch your head moves forward, it adds an extra 10 pounds of pressure on your neck muscles and spine. If your head is consistently 3 inches forward, that's an extra 30 pounds of strain. All day. Every day. Your neck muscles are working overtime just to hold your head up, and they're exhausted. This constant tension leads to muscle tightness, trigger points, and that deep aching stiffness you feel. Second, there's decreased range of motion. This is a use it or lose it situation. When was the last time you looked all the way up at the ceiling, or turned your head as far as it can go to the right and left? Most people over 60 stop moving their neck through its full range of motion because it's uncomfortable. But when you stop using that range, your body assumes you don't need it anymore. The tissues shorten, the joints stiffen, and your available movement decreases month by month, year by year. Third, there's muscle weakness and imbalance. The muscles at the front of your neck, the deep neck flexors, often become weak with age. Meanwhile, the muscles at the back and sides become tight and overworked. This imbalance pulls your head forward even more, creating a vicious cycle of stiffness and pain. But here's the good news. All 3 of these factors are reversible. With the right movements performed correctly and consistently, you can restore your neck mobility, eliminate stiffness, and even prevent it from coming back. Let me show you exactly how. This routine consists of 5 specific movements. Each one targets a different aspect of neck stiffness and works together to give you complete relief. You'll do this routine sitting in a sturdy chair. Make sure you're sitting up tall with your feet flat on the floor. Movement 1, neck retractions, the chin tuck. This first movement is the foundation of everything else. It retrains the deep muscles in your neck and corrects forward head posture. Sit tall in your chair. Look straight ahead. Now, without tilting your head up or down, gently draw your chin straight back as if you're trying to create a double chin. You're not tucking your chin down towards your chest. You're pulling it straight back like you're sliding your head back on a shelf. You should feel a gentle stretch at the base of your skull and in the back of your neck. Hold this position for 5 seconds. You should feel your neck muscles working, but it shouldn't be painful. Then relax back to your starting position, take a breath, and repeat. Do this 10 times. This should take about 1 minute. The key here is control and precision. Don't rush. Don't force it. You're retraining muscles that may not have worked properly in years. Be patient with yourself. This movement is gold for reversing forward head posture. Within just 1 week of doing this daily, you'll notice you're holding your head in a better position naturally throughout the day. Movement 2, lateral neck stretches, side bends. Now we're going to release the tight muscles on the sides of your neck. These muscles get incredibly tight from poor posture and can cause headaches, shoulder pain, and that feeling like your neck is locked up. Sit tall. Keep your shoulders relaxed and level. Don't let them hike up toward your ears. Slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing your right ear toward your right shoulder. You should feel a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. Don't force it. Just let the weight of your head create the stretch. To deepen the stretch slightly, you can reach your right hand over your head and rest it gently on the left side of your head. Don't pull. Just let the gentle weight of your arm increase the stretch. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe slowly and deeply. With each exhale, you might feel the muscle release a little more. Then slowly bring your head back to center. Pause. And repeat on the left side, tilting your left ear toward your left shoulder. Do this stretch twice on each side. This should take about 2 minutes total. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't let your shoulder lift up toward your ear. Keep both shoulders down and level. And don't rotate your head forward or backward. This is a pure side bend. After just a few days, you'll notice these tight side muscles releasing and your neck feeling lighter. Movement. 3. Rotation stretches, looking over your shoulder. This movement restores your ability to turn your head, which is crucial for driving, checking your blind spot, and maintaining awareness of your surroundings. Sit tall. Look straight ahead. Slowly turn your head to the right as if you're trying to look over your right shoulder. Go only as far as is comfortable. You should feel a stretch, not pain. Hold this rotated position for 15 to 20 seconds. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Then slowly return your head to center. Pause for a moment and repeat on the left side, turning to look over your left shoulder. Do this stretch twice on each side. This takes about 90 seconds. Here's what's important. Don't force the movement. Your range might be limited right now, and that's okay. What matters is that you're gently working at your current edge. Over time, that edge will expand. You'll be able to turn further and further without discomfort. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice checking your blind spot while driving becomes easier. You'll be able to look behind you without having to turn your entire body. Movement 4, neck extensions, looking up. This movement counteracts all that forward bending and looking down you do throughout the day. It stretches the front of your neck and strengthens the muscles in the back. Sit tall in your chair. Make sure your back is fully supported. Slowly tilt your head back and look up toward the ceiling. Only go as far as comfortable. If you feel dizzy or any sharp pain, don't go as far. You should feel a gentle stretch along the front of your neck and under your chin. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Then slowly bring your head back to neutral, looking straight ahead. Rest for a moment and repeat. Do this 5 times. This takes about 1 minute. Important safety note. If you have any history of dizziness, vertigo, or balance issues, keep this movement very gentle or skip it entirely. Never force a neck extension. The goal is a comfortable stretch, not maximum range. This movement is particularly helpful if you spend a lot of time reading or looking at screens. It reverses that constant forward and downward pressure. Movement 5, shoulder rolls and neck integration. The final movement integrates everything and releases tension from your shoulders, which directly affects your neck. Your neck and shoulders work as a unit, so releasing shoulder tension often provides instant neck relief. Sit tall. Let your arms hang relaxed by your sides. Slowly roll your shoulders up toward your ears, then back, then down, creating a smooth circle. As your shoulders move back and down, gently squeeze your shoulder blades together. Do 10 slow, controlled shoulder rolls backward. This should take about 30 seconds. Then reverse direction. Roll your shoulders forward, up toward your ears, forward, then down. Do 10 forward rolls, another 30 seconds. As you do these rolls, pay attention to your neck. You'll likely feel it releasing and relaxing as your shoulders move. This is the integration happening. Your neck is learning it doesn't have to hold all that tension. Your complete 5-minute action plan. Now let's put this all together into your daily routine. Do this sequence once every morning and once every evening. It takes exactly 5 minutes. You can do it sitting at your kitchen table, in your favorite chair, even at your desk. Here's the complete sequence. Neck retractions, 10 repetitions, 1 minute. Lateral stretches, 2 times each side, 2 minutes. Rotation stretches, 2 times each side, 90 seconds. Neck extensions, 5 repetitions, 1 minute. Shoulder rolls, 10 backward, 10 forward, 1 minute. Total time 5 minutes and 30 seconds. The key to success is consistency. This routine works through gentle, progressive improvement. You won't see dramatic changes after one session, but after 1 week, you'll notice your neck feels looser in the morning. After 2 weeks, you'll realize you can turn your head further. After 1 month, that chronic stiffness you've lived with will be significantly reduced or completely gone. Some days your neck will feel more flexible than others. That's completely normal. What matters is that you do the routine every day, even on the days when your neck feels good. This is about building new movement patterns and maintaining the flexibility you're gaining. In the first 3 days, you might feel slightly more aware of your neck. This isn't soreness from injury. It's your muscles waking up and working in ways they haven't in a long time. This is normal and will pass. By the end of the first week, you should notice your neck feels less stiff when you wake up. Getting out of bed becomes easier. By week 2, turning your head to check behind you becomes smoother. You'll find yourself naturally holding your head in a better position throughout the day. By week 3, that chronic tension and stiffness that's been your constant companion starts to fade. You realize you're not thinking about your neck as much because it's not bothering you. By week 4, you'll have regained significant range of motion. Activities you'd been avoiding become possible again. But here's the important part. This is not a quick fix that you do once and forget about. This is a maintenance routine. Your neck has developed these problems over years or even decades. It needs consistent, gentle care to stay healthy and mobile. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't brush your teeth once and expect them to stay clean forever. You brush them every day to maintain their health. Your neck is the same. These 5 minutes twice a day are your neck hygiene routine. The decline in neck mobility is not inevitable. The stiffness is not something you just have to live with. You now have the exact tools to take control of your neck health. If you found this valuable, please type "relief" in the comments right now. Share this video with someone who's been struggling with neck pain or stiffness. And remember, the best time to start taking care of your neck was years ago. The second best time is right now, today. Your neck has been carrying you through life. It's time to give it the care it deserves. Do these 5 movements daily and watch as that chronic stiffness melts away. Stay mobile, stay pain-free, and I'll see you in the next video.